Before installing Sublime Linter, let's open a JavaScript file and introduce some errors to see if any visible signs get available or not. Since no hint has appeared, it's either mean that linting is not installed or not working. To install Sublime Linter, press Ctrl Shift and P to open command palette or open it from tool menu. Type install so that Sublime reads the repository. Make sure that you select this line which says install package. Once ready, type Sublime Linter and select it. Once installed, look its entry into context menu. Here it is present. Check if linting is working. It won't work as we have not installed any language-specific plugin. Now install its JavaScript plugin called JsHint. Open the command palette and type JsHint. There are a number of hint entries present. Make sure you install a plugin which says clearly Sublime Linter plugin. Once this plugin is installed, start context menu and select lint this view, and wait for few seconds. Here you are, visible hints that reflects errors present in this file. Let's correct the errors and see if the signs disappeared. Once linting is working, the step forward is to also have some clear semantic suggestion present so that it is much more easier to comprehend the errors. First, build the file by pressing Ctrl B, which triggers Node.js build. In the console below, you can see there are no errors. Let's produce some errors again, and press Ctrl B again. Have a look in console. This is the usual behavior of Node. You will also find some hints, but no semantic hint is provided. To get those hints about the problems present in code, you need to install another plugin called JsHint. Make sure you do not pick up any other plugin. This plugin is not the visual hint one which we installed before, but it provides written hints for Node.js. This is the one you need to select. Once installed, its entry should be present in the context menu. And from there, you can build your file with JsHint first, before you go ahead and build it with Node. So build this file using JsHint. And you should get the proper hints about your errors. Once finished with checking, let's see what is available from Sublime Linter options. There are different settings available. Feel free to set whatever suits you. Remember, linting can be disabled by clicking on toggle. You can also use the shortcuts available for linting process.